Sugar causes addiction, and it's even more addictive than cocaine. It causes biological addiction and changes brain's mechanism. Here's some statistics. An average American eats over 150 pounds of sugar per year. An average child in the U.S. eats over 228 pounds of sugar per year. An average American eats over 146 pounds of flour per year. Flour elevates blood sugar faster than sugar. Sugar is responsible for the obesity pandemic, and it's the root cause of many chronic diseases. Most diseases are triggered by the white substance. Heart disease, cancer, dementia, type 2 diabetes, depression, acne, infertility, impotence. That's why we suggest that you try this 10-day sugar detox. Hi, and welcome back to our channel, where we are happy to provide you with the best health tips. To enjoy our videos constantly, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Just a quick reminder, we are not doctors. This video is for informational purposes only. Number 1, make the decision. Dr. Mark Hyman, author of the Blood Sugar Solution 10-Day Detox Diet, has a few questions that will help you make the final decision. Do you have abdominal fat? Are you obese? Are you diagnosed with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes? Is there a family member diagnosed with this condition? Do you eat even when you aren't hungry? What about food guilt? How often do you deal with brain fog, memory or mood problems, gas, reflux, joint, or muscle pain? If you answer yes to most questions, you should definitely do the detox. Number 2, go cold. This means you should eliminate sugar, flour, artificial sweeteners, and processed foods from your menu. Eat fresh, whole foods to optimize your health. Number 3, don't drink sugar-packed drinks. Avoid juices, soda, sports drinks, and sweet teas as they trigger unhealthy sugar cravings. Number 4, protein. Protein is important for you, so make sure you eat plenty of it for breakfast. That's one of the ways to control your blood sugar and avoid unhealthy cravings. Protein is found in seeds, nuts, fish, chicken, or grass-fed meat. A serving of protein is 4 to 6 ounces. Number 5, healthy carbs. Eat a lot of carbs as long as you pick the right type. Avoid starch-packed foods such as potatoes, beets, grains, and squash. Non-starchy veggies, broccoli, cauliflower, collards, asparagus, green beans, kale, onions, tomatoes, fennel, eggplant, artichokes, zucchini, and pepper. Number 6, healthy fats. Healthy fats are important for your detox. Eat more seeds and nuts, and add more extra virgin olive oil, avocados, fish, and other sources of omega-3 fatty acids to your menu. Number 7, emergency kit. Dr. Deepak Chopra says we should always have an emergency kit. It includes protein, good fats, and good snacks. Number 8, mindful breathing. Cortisol triggers hunger. Breathe mindfully to fight this hormone. Mindful breathing affects metabolism, switching on your fat-burning process. Take 5 deep breaths. Number 9, de-inflame. Change your eating habits to lower your risk of heart disease and inflammation. Sugar acts as a catalyst for inflammation. Eat more healthy carbs, fat, and protein, and avoid sugar and starch. Number 10, sleep. Make sure you sleep 7 to 9 hours a day. Sleep deprivation triggers the release of hormones that suppress appetite.